Okay, so they're asking us to name this compound. And so to begin with, we have to count the carbons and figure out the longest chain. So we're going to start, I guess, with the first chain that's possible. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the longest chain that we have is 8, but there's 2. So which one do we pick? Initially, I mean, it doesn't really matter which one you pick. The way I see it better is this long one right here, so I'll go with that one. And so that's what it is. So then we're going to look at the groups that they're giving us. So we can see here that we have one methyl group and then we have 2 ethyl groups. So the methyl group is this one right here. So this is a methyl group. And then the ethyl groups would be this one and this one right here. Or if you had picked this chain right here going across like that, the ethyl group would be this one. So it's the same thing. Okay, so now that we have, that we counted 8, we can say that we're going to have an octane because we have all single bonds. There's no double, there's no triple. So we have octane, so we can put that first. And then once we already identified our other groups, such as the ethyl and the methyl, we have 2 ethyl, so we know that that's going to be called diethyl because di is the prefix for 2, and those are located at the 4th carbon and the 6th carbon. And so we usually try and go from the side with the lowest carbons, not the highest. So instead of saying like 6, 4 diethyl, it's going to be 4, 6 diethyl. So we start off with those first because they take preference because there's 2 of them, and then also because of their name, because it's ethyl, so E comes before the M in methyl. So we can start by counting from this side, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would have 4, and then we have another one at 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be 4, 6, and then dash diethyl, because there's 2. And then we have a dash, and then we have at carbon number 2, we have the methyl group. So we would put 2 dash methyl. And then, of course, the octane would go connected to this one. Sorry about that. So let me rewrite that. And that is how you would name the compound.